How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ishaan, and in this video we're going to be discussing the full technical analysis for Zomedica stock, its price target, and my exact strategy to profit off the stock. With that being said, be sure to like and subscribe because it really helps the channel out, and let's get to it. Alright, so jumping into the technicals of Zomedica stock on this hourly chart, we can see a few things right off the bat. So first of all, last video I told you guys how we were farming lower highs and lower lows right over here, and essentially how we had broken out of that downtrend, and now we were beginning to farm higher highs and higher lows, and overall that was looking kind of bullish. But again, I told you guys that we had a resistance level up here at $1.93 where you could look to take profit if it failed to break, and we failed to break it and we ended up dropping back down. Now if we go to the 1-day chart and look at today's price action, it actually looks like we're trying to form somewhat of a double bottom, and when we bottomed right over here at about 98 cents, we pushed up, and again now we're trying to form a double bottom at 98 cents and force a reversal higher. Now essentially double bottoms are pretty big bullish reversal patterns. Essentially, since it's retesting a previous low, buyers and institutions, they get very aggressive to prevent the formation of a lower low. They don't want the stock to now form lower lows and lower highs, and so as a result a lot of buyers tend to step up right over here and try to push the stock back up. So now a crucial level that the stock needs to hold is this 98 cent level. Otherwise we will further start farming lower lows and lower highs, but what we want to see now is get a bounce, start farming higher highs and higher lows, and change direction. Now apart from that, if we go to the hourly chart, first of all we can see that the RSI has somewhat rebounded, which is nice to see, and we can see that we've also formed a bullish divergence on the RSI. You can see right over here the stock came down and formed an initial low. It formed an initial low right over here, and the corresponding RSI was right over here. Now we pushed up, we came back down, and we came back down to the exact same level, but the RSI formed a higher low. So that is a bullish divergence, and again signals that the momentum is shifting in favor of the bulls. And today I would really like to see the stock close above $1, because the $1 level is a really big psychological level. We as humans tend to like these whole number levels like $10, $20, and so if we can close above $1 today, I would really be liking that. If we close below it, it doesn't really matter, but closing above $1 shows that bulls are somewhat trying to make an attempt to reverse the trend, and that buyers have stepped up to ensure that the stock closes above $1. Along with that, we can see how the red MACD line is beginning to cross above the green signal line, and essentially once that happens, once we get a definitive break above the green signal line, that will indicate that the momentum has officially shifted in favor of the bulls. If we go to the daily chart for just a second, we can see how we formed the 3 black crows pattern. We got our first red candle, second red candle, and third red candle today. Essentially this pattern is called 3 black crows, and it's a signal of a much larger drop. Like as you can see right over here, you know, the stock was going up, then again we got 3 black crows, and boom, the overall trend shifted down. Then again what happened? We pushed up, 3 black crows, and we ended up dropping lower. Again we pushed up, what happened? 3 black crows, and we've ended up dropping lower. So what I expect is that maybe we get another push up, but essentially this 3 black crows pattern suggests further downsides. Apart from that, volume has been dying down quite a bit. I mean, if we're comparing the volume from how it was like right around here, the volume has died down quite a bit. But if let's say I zoom in and let's just take a look at the volume for the last month or so, we can see that, you know, it's just been flat. There hasn't been any meaningful buyers stepping up. I think with truforma's launch, a lot of people got excited, they pushed the stock up, but now there's been a lot of profit taking, as now the biggest thing is to see, can truforma actually deliver? Because now we've got the launch, but now that they've launched, can they actually execute? Is the product actually selling? What are their revenues going to be looking like? So I believe until next quarter, this stock has the potential to continue lower or potentially trade sideways. So now that you're getting a rough understanding of the technicals, let me talk about my price target and my exact strategy to profit so that you can anticipate what's going to happen. But before I continue any further, if you want to learn a lot more advanced strategies that only course members get access to, be sure to check out the Gen Z Trader Academy down below so that you can learn how to become more profitable and make better entry and exit decisions with technical analysis, and so that that you can do all of this stuff yourself. So again, we're going to be needing a break above the 9 EMA, which is the blue line, and as I've discussed in all of my previous videos, a break above the 9 EMA indicates that the trend direction has shifted in favor of the bulls, and when a stock is essentially below a 9 EMA, it shows that the trend direction is in favor of the bears. So that's why it's so important to wait for a break, as that is a big confirmation signal that buyers have taken control. I mean, we did end up breaking above temporarily right over here, but breaking above it is only one aspect. As I talk about in all of my videos, you want a break above and then the formation of higher highs and higher lows to indicate that the stock is actually in a trend reversal. I will then personally only be buying the stock once we break above $1.10, because this $1.10 level is going to be a key level of resistance. As we can see, $1.10 was a previous level of support right over here. It was support right over here, and even today when we pushed up, we found resistance right at $1.10. So until we break above $1.10, I don't expect there to be a meaningful overall impact to the overall trend direction, because we're still farming lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, we're trading in this downwards channel pattern, and so breaking above $1.10 would indicate that we've broken above this key level of resistance, but it will also indicate that we've broken back into this channel, So you want to see a break back into the channel and then a push higher. Then on a break above $1.10, I could easily see the stock heading up here to about $1.30, where we had a previous level of resistance right in this area, and it was a previous level of support right over here. If it fails to break $1.30, I would potentially be looking to exit my position right up over here. But if we manage to break above $1.30 and continue forming higher highs and higher lows, I would be looking to take an even more heavier position. And then above $1.30, the next level of resistance is going to be up here at about this $1.45 level, which was a key level of support over here, support over here, support over here, and where we had resistance right over here very recently. So we're looking at almost a 30% gain based on the strategy that I've laid out, and the key thing again is to wait for confirmation and wait for the break above the 9 EMA and for higher highs and higher lows. Now if we break below this 98-cent level, which is totally possible, I'm not just going to tell you the bullish case, I'm going to tell you the bearish side as well, so that you can prepare yourself and know how to trade the stock based on whichever way it goes. Now if we end up breaking below this 98-cent level, the next level of support is going to be all the way down here, right here, down here at about 85 cents. As we can see right over here at 85 cents, we had support right over here at 85 cents. We had support right over here at 85 cents, and we had support right here at 85 cents. So this 85-cent level is going to be the next level of support below this 98-cent level. So it's going to be crucial that we hold it. Otherwise, that's a pretty steep drop lower. And so with that being said, that's the video. And if you want to learn a lot more advanced strategies than what I discussed in this video and that only the course members get access to, be sure to check out the Gen Z Trader Academy down below, where I discuss in depth exactly where to buy, exactly where to sell, and a lot more different patterns and indicators that you can use to your advantage. Technical analysis is super important in helping you become more profitable and make better entry and exit decisions. So be sure to check it out down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.